In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase the maximum upload file size in Hostinger so you can upload larger files like WordPress themes, plugins, and media without running into that frustrating upload limit error. If you've ever tried uploading a large plugin or theme and seen a message saying the file exceeds the maximum upload size, this video will fix that for you in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Now let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Websites. You'll see a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website where you want to increase the upload limit and click on Manage next to it. This will open your hosting management panel for that specific site. Now that you're inside the hosting management area, we need to access the PHP settings. In the left-hand menu, scroll down until you see the Advanced section. Under Advanced, click on PHP Configuration. This is where you can control important PHP limits for your website, including file upload size. Once you're inside PHP configuration, make sure you're on the PHP Options tab. Here you'll see several PHP settings that control how your website handles uploads and server requests. The two settings we need to change are upload_max file size and post_max size. These two values work together to determine the maximum file size you can upload. First, find upload_max file size. This controls the maximum size of a single uploaded file. Increase this value to the size you need. For example, you can change it to 128 MB if you want to allow files up to 128 megabytes. Next, find post_max size. This value should be equal to or greater than upload_max file size. So if you set upload_max file size to 128 MB, set post_max size to 128 MB as well. This ensures your server can properly handle the full upload request. After updating both values, scroll down and click the Save button. Hostinger will apply the new PHP configuration settings to your website. Now wait a few seconds for the changes to take effect. In most cases, the update happens almost instantly. To confirm everything worked, you can go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Media, and click Add New. Under the Upload box, you should now see the updated maximum upload file size displayed. If it shows the new limit, that means the change was successful. And that's it. You've successfully increased the maximum upload file size in Hostinger. This will allow you to upload larger themes, plugins, media files, or backup files without errors. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step hosting and WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.